Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. How are you? Introducing, my name is Gina Napsia from class A2 PGSD 2018. Here I will present my research journal entitled Analysis of Learning Difficulties in Mathematics for Grade Student, number line edition material 3 are several points that I will discuss, namely regarding research background, methods, result, and discussion and conclusion. Okay, number one, research background. Mathematics in general is often considered difficult by elementary school students as well as adults. When learning mathematics, students are very visible ones do not seem to be interested in mathematics. Often when learning takes place, students question the time to be spent in this lesson. But mathematics is given to equip students in logical, creative, critical, and systematic thinking. In this study has proven that so important are these mathematics lessons in everyday life. In addition, it is recommended that mathematics be applied at an early age so that children will know numbers relate to their lives. Students have actually been in contact with a number of mathematical activities, even it happened before the student entered elementary school. Children usually begin to count, add up, read and even share items such as chocolates, and are often able to do simple calculation activities. However, because the learning process in school and outside the school does not have a bridge to calculating knowledge, so that there is no external learning process with learning of to math in school. Therefore, research carry out analysis on students according to material that are considered unsatisfactory in order to get a solution to the problem that can improve the quality of learning of students in class 3. That the purpose of this research is to find out the difficult of the student experience in the summation material using number line and can provide solution. Next, number 2, method. Based on this research, the approach that will be used is a qualitative approach. According to Millon 2004, qualitative research is research that intends to understand the phenomena experienced by the research subject. For example, behavior, perception, motivation, and action by means of the description in the form of words and language in a special context that is natural, and by utilizing various scientific methods. Okay, next, number 3, result and discussion. In this study, test methods were used to obtain information about the learning difficulties experienced by students after studying the addition and subtraction material based on the result of the interview with respondents with high academic criteria. Obtain information that the student has mastering the concept of number addition in solving story problem, has been able to distinguish the use of addition operation in story problem, and has mastered the addition operation by saving The student has a misconception in the addition operation involving the number 0, where the student says that a plus 6 equals 8 with the misconception that 0 plus 3 equals. This solution is divided into two, namely a solution to anticipate student learning difficulties during the learning process and solution to overcome student learning difficulties after the learning process. To anticipate difficulties student learning during the learning process is to apply learning that is based on the principles of learning mathematics. Next, number 4, conclusion. Based on the analysis of the result of research that has been done, it can be concluded that the form of student learning difficult in the material of addition and subtraction. Number misconception in the addition or subtraction operation involving the number 0 have not fully mastered the procedure of summing numbers by means of storing and subtracting numbers by drawing difficult in interpreting the story. Number 3, in change everyday sentence into mathematical sentence, and lacks of research in doing question and lead to error in the answer gives. That's all. Now me thank you. Sorry if there are mistakes. That's all. Now me thank you. Sorry if 3 are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.